Geoffrey Kimngatich Korir, an advocate practicing in Bomet Town, and also the Secretary General, Rift Valley LSK branch. And I think today we are here to issue some press statement on some issues that, some nasty incident that occurred yesterday at Bomet Law Courts. And I think yesterday was a very sad day for the stakeholders who came to be served by Bomet Law Courts, and the incident that occurred was not good by virtue that one or two public officers, one of them is a public officer in Bomet County, and the other one is a deputy county commissioner. So he was alleging that he is the county commissioner in those sides of Kisii, but we know for a fact that he is a deputy county commissioner in one of the sub-counties in Kisii County by the name Thomas Pate. They stormed the Bomet Law Court. Number one, they actually abused the judicial officers. One of the issues that they were raising is that their case, which was slated for confirmation, a succession case which was slated for confirmation yesterday, could not take place, and there was a sufficient notice that were issued to all the litigants, to all the advocates and any stakeholder that the magistrate sitting in Court 2 will not be sitting because he's away on official duties. Unfortunately, when the two public officers came and found that there is no case ongoing in Court 2, he started making a lot of serious allegations. The first allegation that he made was that the court seems to be shifting goalposts when it comes to their case. We wish to tell him that it is not only his case. There are several other cases. And number two is that the people who are serving here are very diligent officers. As LSK, if there were any issues that we feel those judicial officers here are not doing their work, we will have raised the issues during our bar bench meeting as well as court users committee meeting. But as far as we are concerned, the judicial officers, especially those who are coming from outside Kalenjin community, we have not had any problem. So for the said two officers, especially the deputy county commissioner, to allege that the judicial officers who are not coming from the Kipsigis and Kalenjin community are undermining the Kipsigis litigants as well as residents here is not true at all. He said that the junior officers who are the judicial officers are too junior to serve him. We wish to tell him that if he thinks he's too senior, then maybe next time when he's coming, we will request the Chief Justice herself, the acting Chief Justice or whoever will be in that office to come and serve him, because even the President, whenever he goes to any court, he is ready and willing to be served by the designated judicial officers. So for even him to come and say the officers who are here are too junior to serve him because he's a deputy county commissioner, we wish to tell him that that is not the case, and he needs to really learn the laws. Number two is that he created a lot of disturbance. In fact, he created disharmony among many people who are living here, and he insisted that he wants to be served by a judge, even in matters for lower court. And we feel, first, he created a lot of disturbance, and as LSK, we will take serious action. We will proceed from here to go and report the matter at the police station so that he can be sued and investigated. And we hope after the investigation, the police will be able to find him culpable for the offense of creating disturbance, of the hate speech that he actually propagated in this court. In fact, we want to tell the judicial officers who come outside the Kalenjin community that as far as the community members here, they have no issues with them.